Hello guys, we are in our Salesforce Flow series number 3 and today we are going to see how to update records using the Salesforce Flow. So the requirement is very simple. I want to update the phone number of all the contacts when the account phone number is getting updated. So that's the requirement. And the assumption is account might have multiple contacts. So whenever the account phone number is getting updated, I have to get all the related contacts of that account and update the same phone number as account. So that's the requirement. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, I logged into my Salesforce org, and if you see here, this is one of the account, and we have 4 associated contacts with that account. And whenever we are updating the phone number here, it should reflect the same on all these contacts. So that's the requirement. So let's go ahead and create a flow. So I'm gonna click new flow, and it should be an record triggered flow because on update it has to trigger. So start from scratch. It's a record trigger flow. Select that one and click on create. So it will give you this option and choose your object. So object is account, and whenever the record is updated, and let's see if we have phone number. Yep, and is changed equals true. So whenever the phone number is changed at the time of record update, it will trigger this flow. Let's add the things. Add element. So first, so on update, it has to fetch all the related contacts, right? So for that we have to use get records. Let's say get contacts, and the object would be contact. And here you have to map the account ID to the record ID. So record ID is nothing but the account that you're changing the phone number. So it will fetch all the accounts matching the account ID. And we have to get all the records. And I'm not going to select any of these things. I'm going to leave automatically store all fields. So yeah, let's save it. I don't want to lose anything, so that's why I saved it. All right. So here we got all the related contacts. Then we have to use loop because we have to update one by one, right? So I'm gonna use loop. Let's see, contacts, or I would say all contacts, and the collection variable is the above one, get contacts. So I'm gonna choose this, and first item to last item. That's fine. And here inside, I'm gonna assign the value of the new phone number. So let's say use assignment. So current item phone number equals record phone number. So are you getting it what I'm doing? So consider if you have multiple contacts, right? So the first contact will go through this loop, and on the first contact record, we are getting the phone number field and setting up to the account phone number. So that is the account record. We updated the phone number. So I'm just passing the same value to the first contact. So it will go through all the contacts that retrieved from the get contacts, and it will update the same value, right? So the next thing would be I have to store everything in a collection, right? So the loop is setting the value one by one, but I have to store all those value in a collection so that all those records, all those contact records in the collection again, so that I can update all at once at the end of the loop completion. So I'm gonna add one more assignment here, and here I'm gonna add, sorry, I'm gonna create a collection variable. So variable, let's say contact collection, and data type is going to be record, and object is contact, allow multiple values. That's it. I have created a collection. So in this collection, I'm gonna add the items coming from the loop. That's it. So here, the first contact record comes to this variable, this assignment here, and we are passing the account phone number to the first contact, and it goes to the collection. And then comes the second contact. They are updating the phone number and go to the collection. Likewise, this collection will collect all the contact records and store it. So we can, at the end, we can use update records, update contacts, and select the collection. This option, use IDs, all field from the record or record collection, and select the collection variable that you have created, contact collection. Okay, are you getting it? So this contact collection has the value of all the contacts with the updated phone number. So we are using that collection on the update record so that the phone number gets updated on the contacts. Save it. Should be working fine. Let's activate it and test it. All right. So it's activated. Let's go back to the account. Let's refresh. So we don't have phone number yet on this account. There is no phone number, and it has four related contacts, and only one has a phone number, and all the remaining are blank. So let's update the phone number here. I'm gonna just use the same fax number and save it. Cool. See here, automatically all the phone numbers got updated. Again, I want to change to a different number. Save. Cool. Everything is getting updated. So I hope you understand the concept of using the loop and first getting the contacts, using those contacts in the loop, assign the value of whatever the details that you wanted to pass to the contacts or whatever the objects that you're using, and store it in a collection like this. Add the collection from the loop, then use the collection in the update contacts. the update element so that it updates all at once. So yeah, that's it. Uh, it should be a simple one, but let me know if you find any difficulties or having any questions on this one so that I would be happy to help. All right. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.